Changing Wix to Shopify is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome and write Card2Card in the search bar. After that, you have to click on the Card2Card website link. When the website is open, you can see there are a lot of buttons, but you have to click on the left side box. After clicking on it, you have to search for Wix, and then you have to select Wix. Next, you have to click on the right side box and search for Shopify. Afterward, you have to select the Shopify store. Following that, you have to enter your email address and then click on the Try for Free button. Now, you can see that the Card2Card transferring window is open. You have to enter the source store URL of your Wix website. To do that, you have to go back and open the Wix website dashboard. Then, copy the URL from the top, and after copying it, you have to paste it in the source URL box for Wix. Now, you have to enter the source store URL of Shopify. To do that, you have to open Shopify and copy its URL. Then, you have to paste it in the Shopify store URL box. Afterward, you have to click on the Check Plugin button. Following that, you have to install the Wix Migration app by Cart2Card. Now, you have to click on the Install button. You can see that my Shopify store is now pointing towards the Cart2Card Wix import. Next, you have to click on the Install app button at the top. After clicking on it, you have to click on the Choose Entities button. After that, you just have to select the products and then click on the Migration button. Your Wix store will be migrated to Shopify. And it's done. This is how you can change Wix to Shopify.